Good afternoon, welcome to our website of the Issa Beauty Store. My name is Tati.
And I'm Imani.
Our store name is Issa Beauty Store. This is modeled after the store, the Afro-Indian shop here in The Hague. This is our homepage. You can see our logo. If you scroll down, our mission statement and a sneak peek into our beautiful collection. We also have an About Us page. If you go there, you'll see a story of how we started 30 years ago and how we've grown ever since. We also have a contact page if you want to contact us with any questions. We have Facebook, Instagram, email and phone number and a contact form if you really need to ask us a question. If you're new into town and you don't want to get lost, we have this map ready for you to give you direction wherever you want to go. If you click on more pages, you will see that we have multiple different types of pages. We've got 2 product pages. If you go on one of them, you will see a lot of products we have. If you click on one of the products, you will see a short description of what type of product it is, and you can add it into your shopping cart. As soon as you've added it in, you will see that it appears here. You can click on it. We have a working shopping cart. You can also go to pay. If you go to pay, you will see our billing information. You can find that out for yourself. We also have blog posts. This is one of the most fun parts of our website. These are real life stories that have been told by people we trust of what the products actually do for them. And these are 3 of our best articles we have uploaded. We also have a frequently asked questions page for all the questions you have, a hair inspiration for when you really do not know what to do with your beautiful locks, and a services page of everything we offer for you in our store and with our store. Thank you for visiting our page and looking at our webcast. Have a great day.